Hey traders, D7 here. I want to take a look at Apple, and I went back in time. This is a daily chart that we're looking at, going back about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 months or so. This is the beginning of 2007. I just want to start doing some trend lines here and do kind of a study on trend lines. We're going to this swing low to this swing low right here, dropping a line, and let's go ahead and drop another line up here, I guess. And you know, there we have it, and we'll just kind of take this and move forward. Look how we drew to this area. I'm gonna raise this just slightly to that swing high, to this swing high. Drop that to the bodies. And the thing that jumps out at me here, let's get our lower trend line drawn. Right here to this swing low right there. We like trend lines to be nice and parallel, and these lines are nice and parallel going up, and we're heading up, going nice. The thing that I don't like on this, see how we did not hit the resistance level, the upper trend line? Because we didn't hit that, it shows a slowdown, and that tells you things. This leg or this run that we've been having could be slowing down a little bit. Does pop up, oh, right there. There's what I call the kiss of death. It broke support, and that's usually not a good sign for a stock when it breaks a support like that. Let's watch this and just, oh, look how it came back up. Support, that was support here and support here, came back up, now is acting as resistance, and that's a real bad sign for it. Oh, and there we dropped. What's interesting is my blue line is my 20-day moving average. We dropped. We have a low base. Go to our chart school and you'll see what a low base breakdown is. And this is a low base breakdown with the 20-day moving average acting as resistance. We broke down, and this day we pierced the 50-day moving average, which is never a good sign. And isn't it interesting that when we dropped, we came right back up, and we in the 50-day is acting as resistance. So we dropped below the 20-day acting as resistance. We dropped below the 50-day. Now it's acting as resistance, heading downward. Now we have a doji, or a hammer, however you want to look at that. More of a doji. We have our line that's coming up, and look how we came right down here. Now the line's acting as support, and anytime you get this hammer formation or doji type formation at the bottom, usually you can expect that the bottom has been hammered out, and we should go up here, and we do. We go up. What's really nice, we got above the moving averages. Let's just kind of walk this through. I like how we're going up. Now it's got this area to deal with right here, and let's drop a line right here. We have resistance here, and it's acting as resistance right there. These moving averages should act as support, and it does. We pop up. Let's see what happens. Now we have what's called a symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle, an ascending triangle. I stand corrected. See the red line coming across and the blue line coming up. Usually a bullish formation if we can break upward. And right there we do pop over the top. The problem is I don't see a lot of volume here. Oh, but there it does. There it takes off. So there's our bullish pattern. And I should go back. That's, what's this one called? A bullish pennant or a high base formation. Go to our chart school and you'll see those. And those are bullish. They should go up. Going up, going up. I'm going to go ahead and add another trend line here. You can draw as many trend lines as you want. Oops, hit the wrong button there. Let's follow that through. We have a swing high here. I'm going to do another trend line right here. Parallel, those were parallel, these are parallel. So long as it stays within this channel, I'm fine. Go up, go up. Nice. We broke out to the upside. Here's a little pullback. We should go bullish and head up. Uh-oh. That I don't like. We didn't pop. We didn't explode off the top here. All we're doing is we keep hitting the support level. See the support line we have here? We hit it and we can't get off of it. We hit, we hit, we hit. Why aren't we releasing going to this upper line? Come on, go. Nope. Now look at this. It's almost wanting to go to the other side of the support. Uh-oh. It's on the wrong side of it. I don't like that. We come up. Now the line that was acting as support is acting as resistance. Not a good sign. And there it broke. And it had this gap to fill, which it did right now. And what I really don't like is this support line. Look at this one. We closed under it. And the 20-day moving average. Bad sign. Oh, man. Now the 50-day. We have a little bounce, and choppy. The 50 days holding its own, and we have a run. Now we have this nice run let's see, where are we at here? November. You know what? I'm going to draw another trend line here to there, just to have that in place. I'm going to draw another trend line going from here up here. Oh, that was a beautiful bull pullback. It should have popped right there. It didn't. It dropped down. Comes up. That line is now acting as resistance. Oh, and sure does. Now it's under the 20 and the 50. And check this out. It pierced this line that we had drawn. See this support line? Does not bode well. Oh, wow. Drops. And right here it's earning area. Oh, remember this line that we drew way back earlier? We crashed below it, and that support line that we had in resistance here. And there we are today. That's where we're at. Real bad news. Now these lines, check it out. Look how these lines are all sloping up, going great. And then with this new trend, oh, it's hard to even draw these lines. I mean, look at the about face that we've taken. We're something like this on trend lines. Now I wasn't doing, other than this guy, I wasn't doing support and resistance lines that were horizontal. I'm more doing just the trend lines and showing you the power of these trend lines. They act as support and resistance themselves. And things that act as support, and then when they're pierced and then they're acting as resistance, that's a real bearish sign. So anyway, what I'm looking for now is some sort of double bottom on Apple or similar, or a step up with a higher swing low and a pop through on one of the trend lines. If we can get a breakthrough, then we can start to look to go bullish on Apple. But until that time, definitely this is bearish. When you have trend lines going down, play this dude bearish. So anyway, hope all's well. Hope everyone's trading, making money in the markets. Remember, being in cash is in fact a position. So if you choose to put a large part of your portfolio in cash during this season, that would not be a bad thing. So anyway, I asked on the forums, there's some people that have privileged areas on the internet that we really greatly appreciate anybody that would put their links out there. The link of freetradingvideos.com. Some of you have some very, again, privileged opportunities on the internet, and I would be grateful and ecstatic to see links posted in these areas, blogs and vlogs and trading websites and trading radio stations and whatnot. So anyway, just a little plug to ask you and our users to post our links out there if you'd be so kind. Much appreciated. Hope all's well, and have a great week of trading.